Hi everyone. Today I would like to share with you how we can use one of GeoGebra tools to compare fractions. So all I have to do is go to Google and type GeoGebra, and I click on the link, and instead of clicking on this icons to open the software, actually I need materials only to go to the tools. And as you can see here, there is 903,000 different tools. That's why I have to type at least what do I need. So I'm gonna type comparing fractions. And as you can see, there is many tools to compare fractions. So I'm gonna use something very famous and known, this one. And as soon as you click on it, you will get the applet of comparing fractions. And actually this is very nice for students to have an idea when we are changing the denominator and numerator, how we can change the drawing of the sections and the number line. So at the left side you see two fraction slide. At the right side you see another two fraction slide. The first one is for the numerator, the second one for the denominator. So let's say I need to change the denominator. I can drag this slider to the right side. As soon as I'm doing that, you see right away it change the number of portion or sections, which is very important to show to the student that the denominator can affect on the number of the portion, and in the meantime that you see the section. So if I have 4 portion, I have also 4 different section on the number line. If I increase it to 5, I will have 5 section. So this is on the number line. What about the left side? The same thing. I can change also the number of portion of the pizza by changing the denominator, and the number of section also it change. And the numerator, it's responsible to change how many portion do I need. So here I have 2 portion to color it in blue, or 1 or more. So this is to show them the numerator, it can change the color portion, but the denominator, how many section do I need. And the same thing for the number line. And for sure you see when I'm changing from 1 to 2, for example, the arrow it's skip from 1 to 2. And this is a great tool to compare between the two fractions. So if I need to know is 2 over 5 is greater or less than 3 over 8, it's very clear from the number line that 2 over 5 is greater than 3 over 8. Also, some students, they have some difficulty when they compare between two fractions with the same numerator. So for example, I'm gonna change 1 over 5 to 2 over 5, and here I'm gonna increase it to 9 portion, and I'm gonna reduce the numerator to 2. So as you can see, there is 2 here and 2 there. That means I'm comparing between 2 over 5, 2 over 9. Some students, they are confused when I have the same numerator. How can I know which one is greater? So in this case, from the number line, it's clear that 2 over 5 is greater than 2 over 9, but they need to know the reason. Why? Because when I'm cutting the pizza on the left side to 5 sections, is totally different when I cut it on 9 sections. For sure, the 2 over 9, the portion is smaller than the portion in this case on the left side. So it's very clear from this applet to notice the difference between 2 over 5 and 2 over 9, even if I have the same number of numerator, but it doesn't mean that they are equal. They are totally different. The portion in 2 over 5 is greater than 2 over 9. And for sure the number line can give them the result. So I hope this applet can help the students to see the difference visually, and in the meantime how they can transfer this fraction from number or from this form to the number line form. Thank you.